Hey there everybody, let's fold clothes together. We're teaching new ways to fold clothes and save space. There are different ways to fold clothes depending on the type of clothing item. Folding puff jackets properly can help prevent wrinkles. Folding clothes makes them more compact and easier to store. Fold underwear in half lengthwise, then fold in half again. Stack multiple pairs on top of each other, then place in a drawer. Saving space in your drawers or closet. Lay the sweater flat on the surface with the front facing up. Fold the sleeves inwards. Can you follow these steps so far? Let us know if you give these folding techniques a try. Folding socks is a quick and easy way to keep them organized. Easy to find when you need them. You can organize them by color. Folding the sleeves inwards for this sweater too. With a little practice, you'll be able to fold clothes neatly and efficiently. Fold one leg over the other, then fold the waistband down to the hem of the pants. Have a great day!